Here are 5 effortless money-saving hacks that can help you save big over the year. 1. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to a savings account each time you get paid, even if it's a small amount. This ensures you save consistently without even thinking about it. Over time, it adds up significantly. Point 2. Switch to generic brands. Choose generic or store brand products instead of name brands for groceries, cleaning supplies, and even medicine. The quality is often the same, but the price can be much lower, leading to big savings over the year. Point 3. Cut out and use subscriptions. Go through all your subscriptions, streaming services, apps, magazines, etc., and cancel any you're no longer using. This can save you hundreds of dollars annually without much effort. Point 4. Meal prep and cook at home. Plan and prepare your meals ahead of time to avoid the temptation of eating out or ordering takeout. Cooking at home can save you a lot of money, and meal prepping ensures you don't waste food. Point 5. Use cashback apps. Take advantage of cashback apps and websites like Rakuten, Honey, or Ibotta when shopping online. These platforms give you a percentage of your purchase back, which can add up to hundreds of dollars over time. Implementing these hacks into your daily routine is a simple and effective way to save money without a lot of effort.